Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to prevent location tracking via rogue base stations on your Android 16 phone. So, the first tip, which is introduced in the Android 16 and is best, is disabling 2G. So we have to enter settings, network and internet, tap SIMs, tap on our SIM card and scroll all the way down and enable this option. 2G network protection avoids 2G networks which are less secure. This may limit connectivity in some places. Emergency calling is always allowed. So this is the first option. The second option is using the airplane mode and Wi-Fi only. Of course, we can't really use Wi-Fi only and airplane mode in public areas, but for example, in our home, where we do have the Wi-Fi network, it's recommended to use our Wi-Fi. Of course, in hotels, etc., it's recommended too. We have to avoid high-risk locations when using cell network. So if we are, for example, at protests or political events, near embassies or government buildings, or in border zones near military state installations, we have to avoid using cell networks. Of course, it's not about Android 16 right now, but we can use the Faraday pouch and hard disconnect from everywhere. And it's recommended for journalists, activists, or anyone under surveillance. And we can use an eSIM or a randomized IMSI, which is of course optional. We can avoid rebooting or reconnecting in high-risk areas, of course our phone. And it's recommended to use custom ROMs or root tools, but it's not about Android 16 right now, so I won't talk to you about that. If you want to know something about custom ROMs, check out channel because we have a video for the custom ROMs and root tools. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.